Now, a last question that I have is, so I'm sure you would have come across many career coaches and mentors. So what is it about me that resonated with you first? Second is like after you went through the program, what are one or two unique things that you observed about me and my program?
When I attended your seminar, and it was more of a theoretical side, and I immediately reached out to you and given my feedback. Sir, there was a story missing, and I understand it is very serious matter, career related, but it was a good, and I would like to join. And you immediately respond, okay, your feedback is well taken. Otherwise people start giving explanations they don't like accept okay, your feedback is accepted. And then you asked me certain questions which made me think. There was no false claims or false promises given. You were straight away said okay, if you realize these things, I will guide you, but you need to take action, then only things will work out. So other people say like you just attend for 90 minutes, you attend for this and these things will happen. But you said कि whatever amount you give or whatever time you think, but once you take the action, then only you will see the result. So there was some logic and I feel okay he's there to guide and I just have to take the action, so which is very doable action. And you said okay, every week you have to only spend 3 hours or 4 hours on the assignments, and result will follow. So that logic and that practicality like clicked me, and I said okay. And the next day also you explain the whole process. So the interest taken in individual, whether that person is your client or not client, but that I appreciated a lot. Somebody is there and given me time and listened to me, so I thought of connecting to you.
Wonderful, wonderful.